Hanggang kailan? Hanggang kailan ba dapat magantay ang pusong malungkot para sumaya? Hanggang kailan pwedeng mag-antay ang pusong pwedeng sumaya pero may inaantay na magpasaya sa kanya? The kind and quality of happiness you can only get from a specific person. Hanggang kailan ba? How long will you and can you endure just being sad, looking from afar, and wishing it's your turn to be happy? What does it take for a heart to be happy with someone when it requires a specific person to be the source of its happiness? Totoo ba na pwedeng turuan ng pusong maging masaya sa piling ng taong dating di naman niya gusto? Can we really teach the heart to be happy the way we want it to be happy, but with a different person?